How to check location of your Samsung phone? Open the app drawer on your device and find the Find app on your device. You can find it in your Samsung folder or app drawer. Tap on Find app. Tap on OK to turn on your device location. Here you can see three options: people, devices, and items. Tap on a plus icon. Tap on a plus icon to add Galaxy tags. In devices, here you can see list of all your devices list. Login with your Samsung account. Tap on a people. Here you can tap on a plus icon to add the people you want to share your location of your device. Go back. Tap on the three vertical dots. Here you can reorder people, location sharing request, notice, and setting. Tap on a setting. Here you can add Samsung account, your Samsung Find website that will locate and control your device remotely using your Samsung account. Here you can choose your location sharing device to your phone. Also allow device to be found. Here you can see your device navigation app. Here you can choose the app you want to use for find your Samsung device. So quite useful feature to find the location of your Samsung device using this Find app or any Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.